In today's video, I'm actually be showing you all of the websites that I use in order to make passive income with cryptocurrency and why I actually use these websites 24 hours a day. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end, because by the end of this video, I'm also going to show you my #1 recommended way to make money on YouTube without doing anything at all, guys. This is going to be a legit way to make YouTube videos and make money with YouTube 100% passive. So make sure you watch till the end. So now let's get started with today's money making method. This is almost a 100% passive method, but all you have to do is just solve one CAPTCHA and you can make this run for quite some time. And I'm going to show you payment proof right now. So if we scroll down, guys, you can see this right here, Devil's Heaven right here. This is what I'm going to be talking about in this video, and you can see my whole system in a minute on how I'm making much cryptocurrency from just a couple of platforms that I'm running 24 hours a day. So you can see that just today, so this is your recent income in the last 24 hours. So I have over 1,000 entries right there, guys. So I'm showing you different pages. So look at that, 50 out of 60, or 50 to 60 of 1,000 entries. So I can just keep going on and on. You're just gonna see income coming in. And let me refresh the page one more time to show you that this is still paying. So we have the Devil's Heaven. Look for that inside of this. So look, refresh, and you can see my other payments just came in from a different platform. Look, Devil's Heaven, Devil's Heaven, Devil's Heaven, Devil's Heaven, Devil's Heaven. So I'm about to show you that website right now. So before I actually show you the full website, guys, look at this. I'm already up to $1.03. I do have the $5 coming in from coin pods, so that's just going to be added into this account, and again, that's going to be sent over to Tron. So I'm not sure if that was what this money was in, because I actually sent over money just recently. I'm not sure if you guys seen the notification at the top right hand corner, but as soon as I actually receive those $5, I'm going to transfer them to Tron and then start to accumulate some Tron inside of the staking to grow this account, or come over here to the staking cube and then start to grow this account just the same way I was going to grow my Express Crypto from all free crypto, guys. So this is all from 100% free crypto that I'm going to start to stake all of these coins either inside a stake cube and start using stake cube instead of Express Crypto, and then just earn income from Express Crypto and send it over to stake cube, or vice versa. I'm just going to keep it inside of Express Crypto and stake it in there to grow my account so I can start to pay that $25 fee in order to start buying some apps. So now let me show you my whole system on how I am making money 24 hours a day from all of these platforms. Look, let me refresh the page one more time and show you that I got another whole set of payments right there, guys. If we go back, look, more payments, more payments, more payments, more payments, and I can just keep going on and on and on with this. So now let me show you my whole system that I have right here, and all of the links are going to be down. Look, even more payments just gotten sent over to me right now. So if we go back to Express Crypto, you can see all of that happen 100% passive. So look at this, bad requests. Don't worry about these bad requests or this. Don't worry about that. You worry about the cryptocurrency that's going to be getting deposited inside of your account, because that was free money and passive money. So look, this is the Devil's Heaven. I'll show you this platform first and show you throughout all of the systems that I'm working with on this one page that's even going to help me make some money with itself. So NetBucks wallet. So I'm going to start to stake as much coins of NetBucks as possible from actually using their web browser. So this is the whole reason why I'm using a web browser, because I have these running 24 hours a day, and as these pages refresh, that sends a notification to NetBucks and showing them that I'm actually active. And then since I'm active, they're going to start to give me some free crypto, and that crypto I'm going to stake. So I'm going to be getting crypto from that, and on top of that, I'm getting crypto from all of these different platforms. This page just refreshed. I'm going to get another payment sent out just now, as you can see how that works out. And all you have to do is just solve one CAPTCHA. So just click on this button right here. Let me see if I can open up a new tab, and if I can't, it's fine. Let's click on it, and you can just solve this CAPTCHA right through Dutchy Corp 100 count clicks and ping it. So I only did it once, as you can see right there, and it's been running for about an hour or two already. So this is already almost done, guys. I have to do it one more time, or for the nighttime just do all 4 of them. So solve as much CAPTCHAs as I can on this website and on all of these, It is super easy to get started with this method, guys. You just solve one CAPTCHA, put in your Express Crypto ID, and select the coins you want to start to get or earn, and that is it, guys. So now let's show you through the other ones real quick. I'm not sure if I actually made a video about these, but they're here. I'm going to leave the links either in my link tree, or the links are going to be down in the description of this video. So this is the same exact thing, guys. You just put in your short links and then solve the CAPTCHA. Once you have done that, come down here, select the coins, and then just let the timer run and make you some passive income. So here's the same one. So let me actually exit out of one of these. So let me just exit out of this one and let this one run. So we have the Ace multi-coin. I'm not sure if you see some of these payments inside of my Express Crypto wallet, but this is the same exact thing. So all you do is just solve the CAPTCHA, come down here, select the coins, and let the timer run. This one is kind of like my favorite, to be honest. I'm not sure why, but it just looks like a lot of coins get deposited inside of my account, which is really awesome. So I'm not even at the home page to actually get my money. So let's come over here, let's go to the home page, and I believe that was an ad, so we're just gonna wait till that shows up. It might take some time because I have so many tabs open, but while this is loading up, guys, let's move on to the crypto lovers. So this is the same thing. Solve the CAPTCHA, select your coins, and start to earn passive income. So let me see if this is almost done. If it's not, then let's move on to the next one. So I have the, you know, the regular Neo. This actually runs 24 hours a day. I don't have to do anything but just solve the CAPTCHA once and then let this do its thing. So this is actually my go-to at the moment because there's not really all those ads. There's really not that much stuff to do on here, but just solve the CAPTCHA for Waves and Neo, because the other ones you do have to do it every, like, I would say an hour or 30 minutes to solve the CAPTCHA again, which I personally do not like at all. So now we can come here, you can see my coins that I've selected, and now it is going to run for 17 hours. So that's really insane. Crypto lovers is the same thing. 19 hours going to be running for me passively, earning me some free crypto. Money has just been sent to my account. And yeah, guys, so the last one is Random Satoshi. I do have to go get my coins from Hideout TV. So I just really wanted to show you Devil's Heaven and I guess the rest of these, and showing you how I am making money on Express Crypto. So let's refresh the page real quick. Let's scroll down and you can see that crypto lover, crypto lover, crypto lover. Second page, look at this, crypto lover, crypto lover. Third page, crypto lover, Devil's Heaven, MCM, crypto lover. So you can just see payments going in like crazy inside of this account, and I'm going to start to stake every coin as much as I can. Have you ever wanted to create a video just like this that went viral, like 5 facts about coronavirus, mind-blowing obstacle illusions? Keep watching this video, guys. I know this looks like something that a lot of people talk about, but this is something that can actually work for you. Look at this. Photos that caught people cheat or being jealous. Things students did to pass exams. So look, if we go inside of any one of these videos, so here is the volume. So
you're falling out of bed and you're sound asleep. What do? You jump straight up and you wonder what.
So as you guys can hear that volume in the background, that is something that my team is going to create for you. So that is going to be something my team is going to be able to create for you for a really cheap price, guys. They're going to be creating the videos for you. They're going to be creating the actual thumbnails for you. They're going to actually be doing the voiceovers for you. They're going to do everything that is needed to make a video on YouTube for you guys. This is going to be the easiest and simplest way to make money right now on YouTube. And there's niches. You can do this in niche. You can do it about dogs, you can do it about crabs, you can do it about cars, anything that you can think of, guys. My team is going to do it for you, and this team is actually working with the bright side. This team is actually working with the richest. So you can see all of these videos right here, guys, are what my team can do for you. Exactly the same, guys. Look at this. Warren Buffett, I think this is Joe Biden. Look at this. Dubai's 22 billion city of the future. You can see all of these videos are pretty much the same exact thing as this right here. This is my channel, my test channel, so you guys can come in, check it out, and see if you actually want to be a part of this YouTube community of actually having my team work for you guys. So it says what you didn't know about Russia that you should know. And look at this right here, guys. Watch. This right here is my YouTube course. I don't really want to call it a course. I want to call it like a, I guess, program, or just something that is going to be given to you guys. So this is what my team will do for you. My team would do the script writing, the video editing, the voiceovers, and the thumbnail. And all you have to do is just upload the video and start to make money with YouTube. Now, it all depends on you guys. It all depends on what videos you want them to make for you, and what videos could go viral and what videos don't go viral. So it just takes patience, time, and I'm going to show you the introduction to the course. Watch this. Personal contact information, channel and branding, best niches, how to get views organically, how to grow fast, a little secret, how to get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers fast, a secret method, and that really is a secret method right there, guys. How to outsource everything without my team, how to go viral every time you upload, what to do or what to avoid when making a YouTube channel, what I would do if I started from scratch. Here is my team. Let's take action and make some money, guys. So this is going to be my results. This is going to be my I guess my program on showing you exactly how you can make money on YouTube for using my team, without even using my team, guys. Look, it says right here, how to outsource everything without my team. So guys, this is something I've created for you, a really cheap price at the moment, only $25, which is a really good investment, I would say, to get some information, some knowledge on actually making money on YouTube, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.